boy MNTBN. Previously on akong life.
Mo naka-title kuya?
No, I have my own title.
Unsa man yung title?
Most
handsome
putot boy. Pila mo gina akong gorilla pa. 130 ra.
Mailan ni mo i-vlogger sa mga tao tungkol sa the camera. May tiling nga sa badong ko. Pero itaas pa sa kong. Oh my god, monetize, sorry. Confetti sa YouTube pan.
Pag-point mo sa
Confetti sa YouTube pantes. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Kuya, bye-bye kuya. Kuya CJ. Bye-bye. Just guess what?
What?
It's voting day. Good morning, it's voting day. Dong namisa mo mga presento. Uy, daw ko'y vote sa kung namin.
Ano ka? Lugi!
Nandito na kami sa eskwelahan. And we're voting. Dagan na po na taon. Guys. Okay. Done voting. Hi guys! Aww! First time. Kaya unsay man paliton, May? Nagsisave ako.
Gutom na ba? Sige, ligo guys.
Ay, na may tubig dito swimming pool open. Kuya, pila may...
Hindi, okay.
Nisod na doon siya.
Pila mataas. Pila mataas.
Just G, so go. Amazing. Rayen, amazing kayo. Solo na itong sa bus. Pwede ito, sige. At Imelda Aroma Mountain Paradise. Front office daw, Ray.
Let's guys.
Yay! We're here at the Imelda Poppin. The maze! The maze! The Imelda Aroma Resort has 3 pools. First is the kiddie pool, which is on the entrance, in the entrance part, and then the second one is the pool which is for the adults, and third one is here at the top, which is the infinity pool, which looks like a river that's surrounding this house. Oh, diba? English galing. Tapos 5 PM lang pala yung slide nila dito. Tapos nakarating kami dito exactly 4:30 na. So dapat makaslide kami. Inaano natin to yung swimming pool nila dito hanggang kung saan to papunta. Yun, sobrang ganda ng lighting dito. Patras tayo. In just 100 pesos you can experience this kind of stuff, which is really good. Isa pa palang paganda dito, no, sa lugar na to. They have the longest slide siguro na nakita ko ever. Dito tayo sa Imelda Poppin Resort Club, Manila. Hey vlog! Ay, tukan na ako!
Hi!
Guys, ayaw ko na yung dunitik eh. Kuya ko yung matagak ang kamera. Hey guys, so guys, I'm currently editing the video of this.
Yung mushroom the pizza.
It's just na inanuktok din. It's a delivery of pizza from Alberto. We shouldn't eat this.
We shouldn't eat it.
Therese. Pasok ka na sa Team Bamboo.
Sana naman